Hi everyone, it is Independence Day and we're off to a really nice mild start across the metro area. Mostly sunny skies for the day today. We've seen a little bit of activity out across the eastern plains near Sterling. That'll continue to move east as we go throughout the next couple of hours. Also be aware if you're heading to and from the high country, our rivers at this time are rushing. We're continuing to see that snow melt. In terms of our satellite and radar outside though, not too much going on this morning, but we do have flood advisories that will remain in effect all weekend long. A lot of tubing bans in effect as well. The Roaring Fork River, Eagle River up through Vale rivers are very high, so please be extra cautious if you're in that neck of the woods. If you're staying in town, maybe hang by the pool today because it is going to be really hot in Denver. Highs will be in the low 90s with a mix of sun and clouds. If you're hiking, biking, spending any time in the high country into the foothills, 70s and 80s for daytime highs. Definitely want water and sunscreen no matter what it is that you're doing outside on this Independence Day, with just a few isolated storms forming first in those higher elevations, moving east across the plains, but I think for the most part will stay dry for the majority of the state today. Temperatures outside we're in the low 60s, into Littleton already 67 into Highlands Ranch, Boulder at 59, so a nice cool mild morning, but by 9 we'll be in the low 70s. Temperatures topping out in the low 90s for this afternoon. Our normals are 57 and 88, so a few degrees above what we typically see this time of the year. Westminster, you're at 92, same into Thornton out through Congress Park. Aurora and Parker both in the upper 80s. Into the mountains from Gunnison into Aspen, low 80s for highs at the valley level, same up through Steamboat. Really warm in Grand Junction and extremely hot over southeastern Colorado near triple-digit heat from Pueblo into Lamar and La Junta. Taking us through our Front Range Futurecast by 2 o'clock this afternoon, 91 in Denver, mostly sunny skies, and then winds will be gusty though as we go throughout the day today, sustained from the west at around 15 to even 20 miles per hour up at those higher elevations. 5:30 tonight, a really pleasant evening. If you're grilling out, should be nice and dry here up and down the I-25 corridor, but by 9 o'clock you can see the storm activity encompassing the far eastern plains. Risk of severe storms is moderate across the northeastern corner, so we could be seeing pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall, some damaging winds with a few of these isolated cells and the possibility for hail. So we'll keep you posted on how things develop through the afternoon out east. But in the meantime, for dinner time, if you're grilling, having a barbecue, 80s, partly cloudy skies. If you're taking in the 4th of July fireworks, partly cloudy and warm this evening, 80 in Denver by 8 o'clock and upper 60s by midnight with a low of 60 expected. Early tomorrow morning, more sunshine, but it is going to be cooler, more moisture, and it's streaming into the atmosphere as we go throughout the next couple of days. That'll increase our storm chances. So Saturday and Sunday, do plan for the possibility of late day storms all across the metro with a warm and drier week ahead.